Alright guys, so I'm gonna try this video this way. I don't know how the audio is gonna come out. I'm gonna try not to look at the camera, at me, and look at the camera. So my friend Ricky Arnold, he said, Josh, why don't you try it this way? But the only thing is the audio is gonna sound really bad. So we'll see how the lighting is. There's a lot of light, as you guys can tell. So you guys can see my desk setup behind me. So we're gonna do a real quick unboxing of the Razer mouse Bungee. Now I did purchase this the other day and I got it within 1 day. So if you guys want to check it out, it is $19. I'll put down the description below where you guys can check it out and stuff. And yeah, this is what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna try it out on my new glorious gaming mouse Model O. As you guys can see, I have it right here. So we're gonna try it out, see how good it works. I figured I'd do a camera shot this way. Just, you know, if you guys like it, let me know. I will eventually get a camera and upgrade it, so this is just temporary. So anyways, try not to look at this. So anyways, yeah, let's open this up. Let's open this up and check it out. Get smoother swiping action, because now sometimes my wire does hang on the edge of the desk. So I'm excited about this. It's gonna be a little you know what? We don't even need the knife. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Now, the reason I didn't get the glorious one, the Bungee, is because they're sold out. So I said, okay, I'll get the Razer. Plus, the Razer is all black. And I do have a Razer keyboard. But it's okay. You can mix match things if you want to. It doesn't matter. Open up the box, pretty much. There it is. Ooh. Wow, that is really heavy. So they give you like this little template. They give you stickers and pretty much pull here to open. So pull here. Let's see. Alright, so you just pull it down. Wow, this is pretty freaking sturdy. Pop it out. Boom, there it is, actually right there. It's ready to go. There it is. Wow, this is actually pretty nice. The packaging was really easy to open. It was actually pretty, dude, we're gonna try this out. So what I'll do is I'll do a camera shot like this, and then I'll do another camera shot this way, and then you guys can kind of see. So basically, I'll put the mouse right there, and then it can hang there, and it goes down. This is really sturdy. So let's just see how long this stays on the desk without it moving. Seems like it's a little tilt, but there's not. Oh, there is actually. Okay. So it was a little crooked, but that's okay. So yeah, I mean, pretty much that's it. You just open it up, bam, it's right there. So actually, what we're gonna do is move the camera in. So here it is right here. Basically, don't mind the audio. Like I said, I'm using a cell phone, so it's not gonna be 100% good. So we go put the mouse up there. Oh wow. Now the only thing about this, the cable's a little thicker. So let's see if it fits. It fits. It works good. Oh, actually that fits perfect, dude. That fits actually beautiful. Hang on, let's move it more closer. There, so you guys get pretty much a good camera view shot. There it is right there. So now when I'm playing, I won't be jinking around. We could probably go back a little bit. Pull this down. So this is what I was thinking, like when I'm gaming and stuff and going back. So I'm gonna have to give a little more upper slack right there. Let's pull it a little bit, so we'll go up a little more. So we're gonna try this tonight. I'm gonna be streaming. I probably won't be uploading this video until later, but I'm gonna try it. It's pulling a little bit, but I'm not gonna go past this point. So maybe a little more slack. All right. So that's pretty much it. That's what the mouse bungee does. It will actually help it. This will hold. It does fit. It seems like it's a little tight. It pinches it a little bit because this actually cable's a little thick. But it works. I'm going to try it out, see how it works. They do have, like I said, the Glorious one. So the Glorious might fit a little bit better, but it was sold out. And it's not all black. It's silver here and stuff. So I like it that's black. So now when we're gaming and stuff, I can go all over the place and just give it a little more slack. So now the cable's not actually dragging. It's just right there. And then when I go, see, it's going to bend. A little bit pulling. So we're going to give a little more slack. That's it. Pretty much. So far, with this mouse, I love it, dude. It's actually a great mouse. So I'm going to, I've been enjoying it a lot. I've only been using it for like a day. So, but that's about it. I want to do a little short video like that. Pretty much. There it is, guys, right there, the mouse bungee. We'll see how long it holds up and how long it fits and lasts and stuff. And if I have to go to the Glorious, because the Glorious is actually meant for this mouse. This is the Razer. But it doesn't matter. I'll give you guys a review later. I just want to do a little short unboxing on this. Sorry, I'm looking over there. I need to look over there. Yeah, so let me know if you guys like this way. I know the audio is not going to sound the greatest, so I'm talking a little louder. Thanks guys for liking. Please like this video and subscribe, and thanks for watching JTG Tech Gamer. If you guys are wondering about the wallpaper, that is Wallpaper Engine, and that's my PC right there. So keep the desk clean, man. That's the way it looks. So alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll check you guys later.